Jai Sriman They are all talking to each other, saying that while crying for son, saying Rama, 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 Dasaratha Maharaju died. Now we do not have king and we do not have Rama also. Bharata Shatrughna, they both are not here. They are in the country Kekaya Desam. So now this kingdom immediately needs one king, immediately. If there is no king, there can be so many bad things happen. When this kind of discussion came up, everybody started expressing how bad it would turn if there is no king. How badly the entire kingdom go out of control if there is no king. Everybody started saying few things like Narajake Janapade, Abhivarshati Parjanya. If there is no king, there will be no rains. Narajake Janapade, Bija Mushti Prakiryate. If there is no king, there won't be any crops. Narajake Janapade, Pituh Putro, Bharyava Vartate Vase. If there is no king in the kingdom, no family will be together. Everybody will get disturbed. Narajake Dhanam Nasti. If there is no king, there won't be any good economy in the kingdom. If there is no good finance support, there will be no any kind of financial affairs going, transactions will be done, no business will be done in this country. With that, this country will definitely go down, go into debts, and everybody will be going crazy. Narajake Janapade, Karayanti Sabham Naraha. If there is no king to the kingdom, there won't be any kind of good development, and nobody will come up with any kind of parks, temples, because if the parks and temples are built, those places will be definitely misused. So then there won't be any construction of good structures. And Narajake Janapade Yajnasila Dvijatayaha. If there is no king to the kingdom, nobody will be performing any yajnas. Nobody will be having self-control. Nobody will be chanting Veda mantras. Narajake Janapade. If there is no king to the kingdom, even though some people comes forward to do some yajnas for the welfare of the communities, even though there are some very wealthy people, they would not come forward to support any yajnas, and they would not give any dakshinas to the acharyas, those who performs yajnas. Narajake Janapade. If there is no king to the kingdom, there won't be any good divine celebrations, there won't be any spiritual journeys, there won't be any tirthayatras, there won't be any respect to the any kind of arts, and all the people will be completely destroyed. This is how everybody expressing their opinions about if there is no king to the kingdom, what happens. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.